3, Luke Jacob Grace.
Galak!
Luke is from grade 8, Ramya. He is described as handsome, confident,
Grabe, pogi.
determined, passionate, and hardworking.
Wow!
He is a proud son. Glenda is
Kinakabahan siya. Gandaan!
his hobby is playing basketball.
Lock! Wala dito tinanggal.
Tanggalin niya. Sabi mo, tanggalin dito.
Lock! Okay, okay na. Wala na. Okay na.
Pag dito, pagdating dito.
Tanggalin mo. Tanggalin mo.
Tanggalin mo, Lok. Tatanggalin mo. Lok, tatanggalin ang botones. Lok, tanggalin ang botones. Botones. Botones.
A warm round of applause for our contestant number 3, Luke Jacob Grace.